Thank you for taking the time to view my listing. Partially secluded property, in a quiet neighborhood. Sit on the patio and enjoy this beautiful yard. 8 by 12 and 12 by 12 storage buildings and a 20 by 24 workshop, all with electric. Pen used for goats with a rabbit hutch. 456 square feet attached carport with side entrance. Wood burning stove and CH&A. New well pump recently installed. Tons of kitchen cabinet space. Large closets. Furnishings negotiable. 1.5 miles to Mena Municipal Airport. Less than 4 miles to Mena city limits. Approximately 8 miles to Wolf Pen Gap ATV trails.